What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Omni-Man. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top in the middle, work our way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. In the center of each eye, we draw a smaller circle for the pupils and fill those in black. Now I want to place the eyebrows on top of the eyes. So from the inside left eye, we're going to step in, bend this up, and then across. Do the same thing on the right. From the inside, bend this in and then up across the brow. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting from the end, we're going to go higher. Just pull that in towards the inside. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now I'm going to move to the center and draw a curve for the nose, starting from the left side, coming down, and then up. Let's move up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Let's add a fold underneath the eyes, coming down and out. And we'll tuck the mustache in underneath the nose, starting on the left, then it's out, and then down. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll close out the bottom with a curve. Now from the eyes, we're going to move out and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start on the left. We're going to step out, cut this down, come across the chin, and then bend that back up towards the right, towards the same height. Now let's go back and enhance the cheekbones with a curve coming in and then down on both sides. From the side of the head, we're going to draw in the ears, going up, round up the ear, and then bend that back in. Along the top, add a curve, go back to the inside and add a hook. Now I'm going to work our way across the hairline, starting back on the left, bend this up and then in, going around the eyebrows. Just bend this up towards the top. And we'll curve this in and then down towards the center point. Now let's go on top of the ears. We're going to draw a straight line going up. Now I want to brush the hair over towards the left side. So we're going to start on the left, bend this up and in. Let's add a point going out, go all the way across. Let's add another point going up. I'm just going to work our way down towards the right. Let's add one more point. Let's separate the side of the hair from this point, going out and then down. I'm also going to add a little bit of texture across the middle, starting from the center, going up and across. Add another curve on the left and one on the right. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start on the left side, just underneath the head, then it's out and down towards the hip, and we'll line that up on the right side. From the hips, we're going to step up, draw two straight angle lines coming down, slope this down towards the bottom, and we'll round this out. Let's go back to the center and draw a large oval, starting from the middle, going all the way around, and then back up. Let's add that symbol, start with two straight lines, leaving a gap along the top and bottom, close out the top with a curve, and the bottom. Now from that oval, we'll draw two lines coming down towards the hips. From the center, step down and add a curve. And then we'll leave a gap, move to the left side, and bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's curve the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend this down and up on both sides. Now on the left side, we're going to curve the foot going up, and then we're going to bend this down and aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now let's go back up to the hips. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's draw the edge of the boot. Starting from the outside, we're going to start with a curve coming in. Draw a straight line coming down towards the foot. Flatten this off, and then go back up. And I want to continue that curve coming in toward the inside of the leg. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Now I want to go halfway between the chin and the hip. Right here, we're going to draw the inside of the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and around that bracket. Step down, layer the second finger in behind. And then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the arm and just tuck that up underneath the head. Now I want to continue these 2 lines across the top with 2 short lines. Curve this up and out. And bend this out and up towards the shoulders. Now I want to create that same pattern across the glove. Starting from the outside, start with a short line coming in, come down, flatten this off, and then back up. I'll bend this in and then down. And then again, we're just going to repeat that over on the right side. And now I want to layer the cape in behind the body. Starting underneath the fingers, goes down and out. And we want to connect the ends with a curve going in behind the legs. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Omni-Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.